can see, I was running on propane, just fogging the top side of the carburetor, and this little lawnmower ran just fine on it. You can do that to pretty much any gasoline engine. I have this little regulator I'm about to install. Inlet, outlet, reducer. Has a primer right here, and it has a little vacuum port that you hook up to the intake manifold, and as the engine demands more fuel, it'll inject more fuel. Basic regulator, I think it was about $50. So this is going to eliminate my leaky carburetor problem and gummed up carburetor problem, so I'm just going to bypass it. Run on propane, which is a much cheaper fuel anyway. Thanks for watching.